Hi guys, here we've got the BLACKSHARK 5 Pro, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So at first, open Messages or any other area where you can input some text, then tap on New One. So here we've got the current keyboard. To change it, tap on Settings icon, select Languages, click Add a language, and then here you've got the whole list of languages. As you can see, the list is super long, so you'll definitely find something suitable. And then pick the one that you would like to apply. Click on Done. Now you can remove recent language. Let's go back. And as you can see, it has been already changed. Obviously, you can manage it whenever you wish, so you can switch between languages all the time. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.